new YouTube channel, and from here you can get every day, every week, every month. You can get update online income, how to make easy money from online, how to make easy dollar from online, and in your home, at your bed, at your table, at your anywhere, anywhere from anywhere you can earning money from online very easy. So today I'm going to show you some tricks, small jobs, many small jobs are there. If you go to the online and you search on the Google micro jobs, micro job, this is one of the small worker, for the small worker, one of the best marketplace. This is the micro job workers, micro worker work on and refer micro lab. First you need to go the register this network, and from there you see first name, middle name, last name, gender, company, birth date, email, password, address, zip code, city code, state, and all your personal, and you see all the country here supported, from the US residents, if you are the US residents, United States, United Kingdom, and Norway. If you the if you see my video from the Norway, you can also earning from here. It's very easy, and this is not very long way. So you can, so you first need to fill up this form, and second step you need to email verification, and it's free, it's 100% free. No need to give any money, 100% free. You can register from here. And if you want to see the micro, this is the micro worker BD. This is Bangladeshi website for the Bangladesh. So you if you outside of the Bangladesh, you can also do job here. And if you have one mobile phone, if you have the PC, you can do very easy, very easy. And you see, we come one blog, moneymint.com. Here this blog, they tell about the 25 best Microsoft site to make money online 2023. And this is very easy. Are you a freelancer? Are you looking online part-time job? Do you want to make money easy and fast money? Don't worry. We have gathered all the information that will help you utilize your product prudently. Check out our list and best Microsoft sites to make money online. However, before we inform you the website names, let's go to know precisely Microsoft sites are. One is never too old and young to learn new skill. You can make ample money even in your old age and when in college. It depends. It all depends on your will and how you committed you are making the sourcing. And here they give some more talking. But the internet can be utilized to perform various productive tasks. Make money online through trusted website or Microsoft, because some website as like also have, they give the job, and after finish the job their website going to be server down and any other problem show there, and they do not give the payment. So you need to understand which website is good, which company is good, and which company is not good. This is the first priority of you. So learn something new each day by day, browsing through different pages available by enrolling a free course. Here if you see, for do the job online or learning the online category, there Google's also have very good courses. And now after the coming to the this 2023, many company they give, and also YouTube is the big library. Here very world best mentor, they give their learning, they give their they share their skills to YouTube, by YouTube, all over the world. So it's very easy. Save money by online shopping, get organized by getting a virtual assistant, be updated with the current affairs of your country and the whole world, develop opinion and worldviews, update your personal and professional life, level up your brain, completing a daily puzzle. You can keep on increasing complexity on the puzzle with them. Set up a work time and routine immediately. So you have landed on the right page if you're looking for creating a reliable income source online We will guide you through every step of becoming your own boss and living a stress-free life. Best Microsoft site to make money online 2003. What are the Microsoft? Microsoft is a small job, very small job. Huh? Like as you only give the like one video, subscribe a YouTube channel, and comment to an Instagram post, make the tweet to the one Twitter. Yes, like the earn money by completing job. This job may include household driver, delivery cab driver, personal assistant, freelance gigs, pet sitter, and customized support officer, many others. Microsoft tasks including online tasks, crowdsourcing projects, real world tasks, real program, offsite usability testing, surveys, and online service marketplace. What are the Microsoft sites? Primarily, Microsoft sites are the other small chunk of a large project which they need to complete within the provided time frame return of the. So they give some ideas. I do not want to make this video very big, very big. So we go to the see the some market. From which market we use? This is the Geekbox. Geekbox are not just in best Microsoft sites to make money online by completing micro jobs, but also a simple, easy to use platform for freelancer. The platform provides you an opportunity to earn between 5 to 50 per gig. Yes, you have heard it right. Rendering your service could make you earn up to $50. Can you imagine? $50 per gig. However, you must be proficient and well versed in the particular field for earning such a massive amount. You can see all of the Geekbox, you name it. Maybe you before do not know, before hear this name Geekbox, but now you can know this this website and this company. Whether you are the writer, SEO expert, advertiser, singer, musician, video artist, translator, or online marketer, you can sell anything and everything that you think people will pay you money for. The best part of the Geekbox is you can post multiple gigs without paying anything. Which category you know? Singer, if you're a singer, if you're a musician, if you're an artist, if you're a translator, if you are advertiser, if you are SEO expert, if you're a writer, you can any field, from any field you can do something. The best part Geekbox, you can post multiple gigs without paying anything. To earn handsomely over the platform, brainstorm for a few minutes what you are good at. You need to understand which skill you have. Ideas posting. So this is second of the Amazon Mechanical Turk. That means MTurk. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is 2005. MTurk established the platform website Amazon Web Services, online crowdsourcing marketplace. Numerous users worldwide. This platform ideal option. People want to outsource their process work job. These people got requesters. They create tasks outsourcers. Outsource the process the global of demand workforce the requester. And their third marketplace is the micro Fiverr. Fiverr for the you see the click worker. Here training data click worker. People per hour also the crowdsource. Open space crowdsource. Jerk. His name is Zirk. $4 to $200 you can earn from this website. It's very easy. Freelancer very easy. Inbox dollar. TaskRabbit. So TaskRabbit also the one marketplace. Rapid workers, micro workers, and Upwork is the for the big Spare 5, SEO Clerk, TrueAnswer, Brand Service, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the service. If you are resident in the USA, from Swagbucks you can earn easily every day by participating the survey. Easily you can make $50 more. It's 100% guarantee. So thank you for the video and best of luck.